Hey everyone, and today I'm going to show you how ExpressVPN can be a real advantage for gaming, whether you're after smoother performance, extra security, or just a more reliable connection overall. So with ExpressVPN, you're getting more than just added privacy. It does a great job of protecting you from things like DDoS attacks or even swatting attempts, which can be a real concern if you're playing online regularly. And because ExpressVPN hides your real IP address, your personal data and location are kept out of sight from other players. Another key benefit is avoiding ISP throttling. Internet providers often slow down your connection if they notice a lot of gaming, streaming, or file sharing. But with ExpressVPN, your activity is encrypted, so your ISP can't single you out or reduce your speeds while you're gaming. That's especially helpful if you've ever noticed your connection suddenly getting slower in the middle of a match. Now, ExpressVPN also gives you some extra flexibility that's really helpful if you're playing games with servers in other regions. For example, lag and delays are usually caused by high ping, which is just the time it takes your data to travel between your device and the game server. The farther away that server is, the higher the ping and the more lag you get. What's great here is that ExpressVPN lets you set your IP address close to the game server so you can actually lower your ping and get a smoother, more responsive connection. That can make a big difference in games where every millisecond counts. Let's look at a quick example with Call of Duty Warzone. If you're in South America, you'll know there's just one Call of Duty server, and it's in Sao Paulo. So if you're not close to Sao Paulo, lag can be a real issue. But with ExpressVPN, you can set your location to Sao Paulo or even a US server if that's physically closer, which can help reduce ping and improve your match quality. It's the same idea for Fortnite players in the Australia or Pacific region. There's only one main server in Sydney, and you can use ExpressVPN to set your IP to Sydney for lower latency. If you want to do this yourself, it's pretty straightforward. Just subscribe and log into ExpressVPN, download the app, then click the Locations tab, scroll to your preferred city, like Sydney for Fortnite or Sao Paulo for Call of Duty, and turn on the VPN. If you want to double check, you can use a site like whatismyipaddress.com to confirm your new IP location. Once you're set up, you should notice less lag and a smoother experience. And this works for just about any online game. Just find out where the game servers are, connect to a VPN server nearby, and you're good to go. Personally, I recommend ExpressVPN for gaming because it's been consistently reliable and easy to use. You don't have to worry about throttling or bandwidth caps, and it works just as well for streaming or torrenting too. So if you also like to watch shows on Amazon Prime, Hulu, Netflix, Disney Plus, or HBO Max, you'll get full access to those libraries with one subscription. And just to remind you, you'll find the latest discount links and any current coupon codes down in the description if you want to check those out. Performance-wise, ExpressVPN is still one of the fastest VPNs out there, especially for gaming and streaming. They use their own lightweight protocol, which has made a noticeable improvement in speeds this past year. So whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing, you can expect fast and stable connections. On the privacy side, ExpressVPN is probably the best in the business. They have a strict no logs policy that's been independently audited more than 20 times. And there's real-world proof of this. Back in 2017, one of their servers was actually seized by authorities in Turkey, and no user data was found. So you can trust that your activity really isn't being tracked. Setup is simple, and the app is designed so it's easy for anyone to use, whether you're new to VPNs or have some experience. And if you ever want more details, there's a full ExpressVPN review linked in the description, along with any current deals or codes. So to sum things up, the best way to optimize gaming with ExpressVPN is to connect to a server near your game server, which helps lower ping and keeps your connection steady. You also get solid protection against things like DDoS attacks and swatting, plus all the privacy benefits of using a VPN. And if you play on multiple devices, ExpressVPN makes it easy to cover everything at once. Hopefully you found this guide helpful, and if you did, leaving a thumbs up is always appreciated. And if you have any questions about ExpressVPN, or want tips for gaming in general, feel free to drop those in the comments below, as I always enjoy getting to answer as much as I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.